What is up mga kagitarisma? In this video lesson ay ituturo ko sa inyo yung chords sa kantang See You Happy by PBB Gen 11. First things first, sa version na to ay kailangan mong gumamit ng capo. So I will use the Rixton capo dito sa 2nd fret. Ayan, so pag ready na yung capo ninyo, pwede na nating tugtugin yung kantang ito. Okay, so let's start with step number 1. Step number 1 natin ay kailangan mo munang alamin yung mga chords. So ang magagamitin natin chords dyan ay G, B minor, yung madaling version lang, yung ganito, and then C add 9, and D chord. Para hindi ka na mahirapan, ilalagay ko na lang dito sa screen yung mga chords para sa kantang ito. Now, let's go to the strumming pattern. Para naman sa strumming pattern, kung nakikita mo yung nasa screen, yung letter D, ibig sabihin yan ay down na stroke. Yan, ibig sabihin ng down. Yan. And then, yung nakikita mo naman na letter S, ibig sabihin yan ay slap. So, pag slap, ganito. Hahampasin mo yung strings. Pwedeng dito sa may guitar hold. Depende yan sa'yo. Pero kahit saan yan, okay lang. Basta may slap mo or masampal mo, yan, di ba? Masampal mo yung strings ng gitara mo. Now, let's start with the chord G. Sundan natin itong step na nasa screen. Down, down, slap. Down, 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 slap. Down, 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 slap. Down, 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 slap. After mong mabuo yung pattern na yan, lilipat ka sa susunod na chords which is the B minor. Same lang din yung pattern ng strumming natin hanggang mapunta ka sa D. Ngayon, subukan natin from G papunta ng D. Okay, let's start in 3, 2, 1, go. Down, down, slap. Down, 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 slap. Down, 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 slap. Down, 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 slap. Next. Down, down, slap. Down, 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 slap. Down, 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 slap. Down, 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 slap. Next. Down, down, slap. Down, 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 slap. Down, 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 slap. Down, 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 slap. Next. Down, down, slap. Down, 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 slap. Down, 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 slap. Down, 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 slap. And then after that, babalik ka lang ulit sa G chord. So, ulit-ulit lang yan hanggang matapos. Ngayon, pag na-practice mo na yung chords at saka yung strumming pattern, ganito na yung magiging resulta niyan.
Pagkagising sa umaga, ikaw ang gustong kasama. Pag ika'y hindi nakita, araw ay di masaya. Dahil ikaw ang daming pangarap, gusto ko'y lumiha. Magkasama ka'y parang sa ulan, ang magandang dilag. For sleeping, I still can't believe you're leaving. Can't wrap my head around this feeling. Did I give you all the memories and times I spent with you? Makes me wonder if all you said was true. I really hope you're happy. It's a feeling in the
Kung gusto mong gayahin yung tunog ng original version, pwede mong tanggalin yung capo at i-play mo lang yung mga chords. And before I let you go, I just wanna say, hindi dapat laging nagmamadali dahil lahat ay may tamang panahon. Minsan, ang mga bagay na madaling makuha ay ang mga bagay na madali ring mawala.